Okay, hi. Now this tutorial is how to export soundings from HiSweep or MBMax processing to as a DXF file. Okay, so first thing, we already have the processed data here. Of course, it's a sample data. The next step is you have to go for the read parameters and check your matrix, how the matrix file size. Now you make it as your matrix size 1. Okay, okay. Now you are going to save this data. Save as xyz. Save 1 point per cell. Don't forget to click this option, save 1 point per cell, and use cell center or use actual xy, anything, it's no matter. Save all files. Here I'm going to save it as a test file. Test. Okay, now you have a xyz file which is your desired file you want to export as a DXF. Now you have that file as a xyz file. Okay, this is your xyz. Now open this data in, open this xyz file in tin model. Tin okay. Now export once again this data as a grid file, which is your desired grid. For example, now I want this data as 5 by 5 grid. Output test grid 5 by 5. Export. Now we have our desired xyz file as a grid file. The final step and our objective is export this xyzl as a DXF file. We need this as a AutoCAD drawing file. Okay, now we go for the option final products, export. Here uncheck all and only keep your objective xyz or desired xyz file on, and remaining backgrounds everything off. Here you have many options. Here click DXF and give a name. Now you have to check the options here. In options, AutoCAD parameters, these parameters, soundings, you can see the option here, soundings. You can give the layer name, in which layer you want to keep these soundings, and use HiPack color file. If you click this, it this will allow the color, or it let us give the soundings as colored one, and here give text height, for example text height 1, and cartographic style. You can check the options here, point objects, single object soundings. It will give the different styles. Now we are going to use cartographic style, and if you want, set up the bands, color bands for this. Okay, bands, set bands, minimum depth and maximum depth and increment. Okay, okay, and now convert. Okay, conversion completed successfully. Okay, now you can get this in background files as a DXF. You can see here, see. Okay, but now we want to open this in AutoCAD. Okay, now come here, open the Windows Explorer. You can open, if you click here, you can open this project folder in Windows Explorer. Now you can get the DXF file, this one, open. Now you got your soundings as a DXF file. No problem. You can, this text is rotated. You can change this option again. Come here. Okay. Soundings, fixed angle. You need to check this option. Fixed angle and perpendicular to line. Fixed angle, it will give exact horizontal. Okay, convert. Okay, okay, now you got, this is the one you want to export soundings from multi-beam max or high sweep to DXF. This is the one DXF file. Now you can use this in any file to make report, to submit to client or anyone. This is the one 5x5 grid. Now you can check the distance between any point to point, around 5. This one 5 meter exactly. Okay, okay, thank you.